Hopefully Instagram likes this video, because TikTok hates everything cool. Everything to do with fire, they gotta kill. It's annoying. But I am on TikTok, if, you know, you're one of those crazy, stupid people. Hi, I'm Jake. I'm gonna teach you how to start your grill the proper way. First, you take your charcoal, you dump those suckers in there. You get your lighter fluid, and you get rid of it. We won't be needing that. You get you some gasoline, and you stick it everywhere. This is... oh, the carnage. So stick that very far away. Then you duct tape a road flare to a giant ballista bolt. Then you shoot it at the grill with your giant pink PVC ballista. And it does nothing. Oh, wait. And that's how you light your grill. And then you try to recover your bolt. Fire. Fire, fire, fire. Cool. Cool.